Okay, so when I saw this figure, when they were doing the run of the Jokerized figures, I got one of them, and I think that's the only one I was going to pick up. When I seen this was released, I thought to myself, it's not too bad, but nah, I'll pass on it. I'm not big into the build the figures unless I really want that figure that's in that build away, unless I get it on clearance. Now, exactly, right here, in clearance, $12.36 for some odd reason. Showed my phone, $24.99. I put it back down, walked away. Then I came back and I thought to myself, something isn't right. I seen this for sale before in a video, and I guess whatever, my app on my phone apparently doesn't work too well, because I went to the actual scanner inside the store, then it shows 12 bucks. But anyway, what we're getting to here, let's see, what we're gonna do is let's get right straight to it. Try not to kill too much time, but here, I seen on the bottom, same thing, right here. I don't know if I can get that off or not. Without heating it up, I'm not sure. Probably not. I don't want to tear it. But I'm going to use these. I think I'm going to use these legs. So let's heat it up. Let's heat it up a little bit, not too much, and be careful when you're using a hot heat gun for these, because you'll just tear it. You'll just melt your figure. I almost been there before. So let me see here. This thing right here. I know it's loud. I'll probably speed this up a little bit. Alright, got the legs off. I don't know if I use that pamper or not. I might use that pamper. Yeah, I think I'm going to use that pamper. I'm going to use this pamper. That's what I'm going to use. I'm not going to use this pamper. We're going to use the actual, this pamper. Put that back like that. Put that there. So basically, you could probably take this whole thing off. Yeah, you probably could, but I'm not worried about that right now. Let's take this apart. Let's get this off. Try not to go too hot, because it, like I said, it'll melt your stuff. It will melt it. Right there. I'm not too concerned about this tearing this up too much, but I don't want to bang it up. But I'll tell you, now's the time. I tell you this. I think this year, if you, oh, there you go. Look at that, pop right off. Okay. All right, maybe not. Let's see here. Let me get this one off. This time of year, I bet November. Look out for the stores. I guarantee there's going to be tons of clearance stuff. I'm thinking so, because lately there's been quite a bit. I've been going to Ollie's, believe it or not. Ollie's toys, or the toy aisle. I'll tell you, they got some stuff in there. I can't get this off for some reason. It's really sweating me here. I don't want to break it. Oh, there we go. Okay, good. So good. There we go. Here we go. Here's the pamper. I think I'm gonna go with this pamper. I'm gonna go with this pamper right here. I'm gonna put this on there. I know it's probably not the. Oh, it fits pretty good. We're there. There we go. Fits pretty good. Now, let me straighten this down. Now the key is getting it on without messing it up too much, I guess. But let's see. Let's see if we can work it here. Work this out, man. Get him some good. Get him some better legs for him being really a crazy person. I didn't like the legs on this one. I just didn't like the legs on it, to be honest with you. Didn't like it. Let me make sure I put the right leg on the right side. I've done that before, where I took all the time to do it and I put it on the wrong side. Let me see here. Put that one there. Whoop, thought I could do it without too much trouble. Let me see here. There we go. Yep, slide them right on. Sometimes if you can, this piece right here actually pulls out. It's a lot easier, I've noticed. I had a couple where this piece just pulls off that peg right there, and you can just slide them right on. See, this peg stayed on. See, right here, for instance, right here, it's perfect. That's how I like them to come out, but if not, it's all right. Just take this. I don't want to. There we go. Whoop, that doesn't matter. Bent it up a little bit. It can still be used. It can still be used. The parts. I got parts out the parts back there. And I keep buying things. I don't know about you guys, but I keep buying stuff on clearance and then keep saying I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do this project. And I keep just pushing things off. It's just silly, man. I mean, I got no room. What am I going to eventually do here? I'm not trying to brag. I'm kind of say how dumb I am with how crazy I am with the plastic, you know. I'm gonna heat this up a little bit. I don't know. This doesn't seem too good. Let's speed it up a little bit here. Go. Should be able to get it on there. I think this is more like a henchman type of. I think he would look more crazier this way, I think, but just saying. It's kind of tough to get in there. Why can't I get it in there? Can't seem to get the other one on here. It's giving me a hard time here. Let's see. Jeez, a whiz. I'm telling you. Let me see here. I almost got it. Nope, nope, nope. This one's giving me a hard time for some reason. I don't know why. It's fighting against me, man. It's fighting against me. That's all it's doing is fighting against me. What the hell? I probably could have just... There we go. I probably just took the fucking torso apart. Anyway, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Now I got... Let's go down a little bit. There we go. Look at this, man. This is going to be a lot... I think this is going to be a lot better, just in my opinion. I'm not too sure. I think I will keep... I don't know. It looks like he's wearing shorts now. I don't know what I'm going to do here. But so this is not going to be too much longer. I don't know if I'm just going to take this completely off. I think that completely off or leave this on here. I'm not sure about this piece. But my main concern now is... I don't know if I should do these purple now. I was hoping to keep these black. Maybe these shin guards green. And, you know, just really take my time and do some little bit of detailed brushwork here. Just to see how it goes. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I think it looks better already. I'm not 100% sure on the purple jacket sticking out. That's something to think about later. At the moment, I'm happy where it's at right now. At the moment, let me move this down a little bit. There we go. There we go. Getting somewhere now. There we go. There we go. Okay, now I think that's the way to go. What I would do, not sure if I'm going to change that. Do something with the knee pads, boots for sure. Black pants, I don't know. Switch out his hands. It did come with some hands, extra hands in the box. All right, so I don't have that. It's over there. So he has some pistol hands, which is cool. So my next thing here is, these at Ollie's are $1.99. Ollie's is starting to be the way to go. If you wait long enough, they had the whole wave of the Frost King or whoever it was there with the Green Lantern and Wonder Woman, and then they had the whole Build-A-Figure. And that's been a while, but let me get this thing apart here. Let's get it out of here. Let's get it going. Let's get this video going. We got stuff to do. We got shit to paint. You guys got stuff to do instead of sitting here and wait for me to open a box. Get rid of this right here, so I don't burn my arm when I reach over like I normally do. Reaching down here, I can't see nothing. There we go. All right, out of the way. Put him over here. Put him over here. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to do something with this arcade. It's going to be a little kind of a prop here, but I'm not too much into Fortnite. See, this is horrible. I mean, it's supposed to be cracked. Oh, it's supposed to look cracked. Okay. Well, maybe not. This is horrible. I'm taking all this off. I'm taking these stickers off. We're going to redo this thing. Taking these stickers off. But I mainly bought this thing for is... I don't even know how to open this thing. What I mainly bought this thing... Oh, here we go. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh. Oh, wow. That's like... Oh, the gun racks, man. Gun racks. Screw this thing. Screw that thing. You could put this in a diorama in the background with this guy. The gun racks. Oh my God, I'm out of control now. Look at me all excited like a 5-year-old. Hold on, here we go. I got some guns. Let's do the gun rack. Let's do the gun rack. Come on, let's do it. It's crazy now. It's on. I didn't know I'm buying more of these. I'll buy all of them. I'm gonna put some goddamn gun racks, man. Look at that shit. What is this thing? It's a grenade. Okay. That's pretty cool, I guess. I mean, I know what Fortnite is. I don't really like Fortnite. Played Fortnite. I'm gonna do some fixing up on this. I'm gonna paint these. I'm gonna fix up on this. These need to be red, not blue. It just looks cartoony that way. This needs to be, no, I'll leave that purple. That's purple. It may look blue on the camera, but that's purple. Purple stripe. Perfect. For him. Yep. That one's for him. This is the way to go. Wait a minute. Is this a gun rack? This is gun for him. I picked this arcade out just because of the guns. That's why I bought them. I wasn't going to do really nothing with the arcade, but now I will. Paint this thing black. I'm going to repaint that. I'm going to repaint this. I'm going to tape this handle off though. I'm going to repaint the handles, leave those. He's going to use these. He's going to be for him. Now this gun rack. Is that a gun rack? Is that what that is? Is that a gun rack? Is that a gun rack? Oh, wow, I don't know if that's a gun rack. That's nuts. That's nuts, man. That's nuts. I know I sound like an idiot. I know. You ain't got to tell me. That's for sure. Sure, that's gun rack. Oh, this is nuts. Okay. Okay. So now I see what's going on here. We're going to do this. We're going to go silly with it. We're going to go silly. We're going to go silly with it. And a gun rack. That one doesn't fit too good. They fit pretty. It's okay. It's all right. All right. Well, there we go. Nice gun rack. Nice gun rack right there. All right. Well, anyway. Well, what I'm going to do is I think what I'm going to do is decide on the legs, but I think this looks much better. I think that looks much better. Looks more menace. Oh, it fell off. Anyway, I'm taking it off anyway. It's not permanent right now. I'm going to paint them anyway. I'm going to do something with this rope. This rope, it's a little different than it looks too. I'm going to do maybe a little dark wash on this rope. That's what it needs. Just a dark wash, just to separate it more from the potato sack here. And look, got stitches and stuff. I may have to do those. May have to take the time to do all these stitches. I don't know yet. It depends. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, don't know about the coat. Not sure about the pants. Everything else probably the same. Just rope. I think I might leave them stitches tan, because usually the sacks are tan. But anyway, all right. Quick video. One-legged Jokerized Joker right now. He's getting ready to go back to paint. Something quick. Still working on the other project. Pretty big one. It's going to take a while, but this is in between. May throw this in there really quick. And when I get done, I'll show you guys what happened. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until the next one.